Get your level up. Every day, man, level up, level up, level up, level up. You're not on my level, so just level up.
Okay, hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, you'll be seeing me glittering this this glass right here. I will be using the Mod Podge method. So I'll be using water-based gloss. This one's gloss. I'll be using alcohol to just clean down the glass. I'll also be using this paintbrush. Hope it works out. Then these will be my glitter. So you got this shade of purple called Muse. This shade of purple called Fairy Dust. And this one called Orchid. And this is just a darker shade, no name. This one didn't come named. Okay, so we'll just say purple. And I also have my paper below for each different one. I put some Mod Podge in a small cup just so that I don't contaminate the whole container with the purple. So let's get started.
Alright guys, as we know, sanitization is key. I'm currently cleaning the glass with alcohol, which you always have to do before applying any kind of material. So I'm currently now placing the Mod Podge in position or places where I want to put the glitter. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to gently start applying the glitter onto these pots that I've placed the Mod Podge, okay? For applying the glitter, and I'm gonna gently just give it a dab so I can get any excess glitter off of that. And I was looking at it thinking I'm not really sure if I'm feeling this design, and I've decided not to go with this. So here I'm again cleaning the glass with the design that I've previously placed because I want to change it. So I'm going to scrape off all of that I've placed on there, and then I'm going to go in again with the alcohol so that I can clean it up to start fresh. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. I'm going to take the extra glitter that came off or that I didn't use from the first batch from the paper, place it into the container again so I can reuse it. That's the purpose of the paper. And I'm gonna take the tape and place it into the places that I now decided I want to try my design. And basically the tape is there to block the places that you don't want the design to go. So when it's done, you guys will see what I mean when I take the tape off of the glass. So anything that's covered with tape will now have glitter, pretty much. Okay, guys? So you basically measure your tape and stuff, basically fill it into the space or the places that you want, that you do not want your glitter to go on to. Okay? So that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm thinking if if that's enough, or if I want to put more, or if I want to change my mind, So I've decided to add an extra layer there. And just gonna keep placing it until I've decided that this is how I want it, pretty much. And whatever design you guys have in mind, just keep doing that until you fill it up with the tape. and then you get to work. And then, as always, I always go over again and I sanitize everything before I start. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm going to go in back with the Mod Podge because now I want to actually start doing the design. All right. And I'm just cleaning up the extra Mod Podge from that got onto the other side, and then I'm gonna go in with the glitter now. Same process as before, it's just a different style. Gently gonna dab it so the excess can come off of it, and then I just repeat this process until all the spots that I can see that is not taped is covered, basically. So I'm just gonna repeat this until I'm done. And I've used a different shade in the glitter on this side. But guys, this turned out so pretty. Like, I really love it. I was so in love with this. Really, I'm really proud of myself for this one. It's so pretty. And the colors are my colors. So, I'm in love, of course. So now you remove the tape. And like I was saying before, the tape is going to be in places that is going to be clear or wouldn't have glitter. So once you take it off, this is what it looks like. This is absolutely amazing and beautiful. Please comment a purple heart below if you really like the way this looks. I do, of course. I really, really, really like this one. So I'm just removing the tape. And then I'll give you guys a clearer, better view of what this looks like. And you can apply your Mod Podge for how many layers you want, but just not make it bulky, obviously. This is pretty. Ooh. So this is what it looks like, guys. And I'm just taking a brush right now to take off any excess again of the glitter, any extra glitter that's lingering around. I'm going to take that off right now. And then you guys are going to have a close-up of what it looks like when everything's done. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Again, comment a purple heart down below if you like how this looks. And if you want to see more designs like this, please leave it in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.